Amazon Associates is a good affiliate program for physical products. When it comes to affiliate marketing, many marketers tend to focus strictly on information products like ebooks and other training courses. While there's certainly a market for information products and the commission rate for ebooks tends to be a higher percentage, there's an entire world of physical products out there that many marketers simply ignore. Think about all the physical products that are purchased on a daily basis both online and in shopping centers. This includes electronics, furniture, pet supplies, exercise machines, and many other everyday products. That's the beauty of promoting physical products. There's really an endless supply of products to promote because there's literally thousands and thousands of products that people purchase. When it comes to promoting physical products, one of the best choices is to use Amazon.com and their associates program. Amazon.com is a great choice for promoting physical products because so many people already use and trust the website, and trust is a big issue when it comes to purchasing online. You can focus on talking about your niche and perhaps providing product reviews on your site and simply send people over to Amazon.com to purchase the item. And most people will be comfortable with this because they're already familiar with and probably already shop on Amazon on a regular basis. The actual commission rate on each item isn't that great, about 5% to start and increasing to around 8% depending on your monthly sales volume. But you can choose to focus on high-priced items in order to make a decent commission off each sale. Many marketers like to focus on more expensive products, perhaps over $200, in order to achieve a more decent commission. And they also recommend focusing on products that have a number of 4- or 5-star product reviews.